Okay, so we fired up the Velocity Management Console for the first time and it's saying we don't have a license yet. So let's click OK to get rid of that message, and we'll minimize the browser for a moment. And what we need to do is take this license file and move it to a specific folder so that the Management Console can pick it up. So we'll copy the file, and the folder you want to go to is on volume C, then program files, not program files x86, just program files, and then into the conducive technologies folder, and then into the Velocity VMC folder. And if we paste that in here, there we go. Now we can switch back to the Velocity Management Console and tell it that the license file is there. So let's do that. So the way to do that when you're in the Management Console is to use this Manage Velocity Licenses link down here at the bottom of the VMC menu. So I'll click on that and then use this Add Rename Licenses button here. And we can see here that license file has now been detected. So we're going to click the Add License link, and it's going to ask for a name for the license. Now you can call this anything you want. I'm going to call this trial license. Not particularly imaginative, but you can call it anything you like. Click OK, click OK again, and now we can see we have our evaluation or trial license added to the Management Console. Now you'll see that we have something that's unlicensed here. This is the default hypervisor, and what we want to do is select it and then assign it to the trialware license so that we can start using it. And then when you deploy the software to any virtual machines, they will automatically get associated with the now licensed default hypervisor and can run with that trialware license. So to assign it to the license, we put a tick in its checkbox and then use this Actions menu here and say Assign to License. And it'll say, which license would you like to assign it to? Well, we've only got one here, which is our trial license. So I'll select that radio button and say OK. And now we've got nothing unlicensed, and the default hypervisor is assigned to our trialware license. And now we're ready in the next step to start deploying the software to some of the machines.